Hey everyone. Let me ask you something. How's your 2025 going so far? Be honest. Did you crush all your goals? Or did life get a little messy along the way? Maybe you started strong in January but lost momentum by March. Maybe you promised yourself big changes, health, career, relationships, and now, here we are, the final 60 days of the year. But here's the truth, you still have time. Not to change everything, but to change your trajectory. And sometimes, that's all it takes to rewrite your story before the year ends. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your life in the next 60 days, step by step. No fluff, no magic, just practical, powerful actions that actually work. So grab a notebook, hit that like button for some good energy, and let's dive in. Part 1. Reboot your mindset. Before we change your life, we need to change your state of mind. Because the person who started 2025 is not the person who's finishing it. You've learned, failed, grown, and that's your power. So here's your first mission. Forgive yourself for everything you didn't do. Stop dragging old guilt into a new chapter. Those 10 months weren't wasted, they were training. Now ask yourself, if the next 60 days were my reset button, what would I focus on? Write down 3 words that describe who you want to become by New Year's Eve. Maybe it's focused, calm, confident, or healthy, bold, fearless. Whatever they are, make them your daily mantra. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I'm becoming the strong version of myself. It sounds simple, but watch how your brain starts to shift. Part 2. Reset your habits. Now let's talk habits, the real engine of transformation. Here's your challenge. Pick 3 keystone habits, small, daily actions that move your life forward. Try these. 1. Morning Power 20. 10 minutes of movement plus 10 minutes of mindset, meditation, journaling, or gratitude. 2. Digital detox hour. No phone for the first and last hour of your day. 3. Nightly reset. Plan tomorrow before bed. Do these for 60 days, and you'll see a mental clarity most people only dream of. Because your habits build your days. Your days build your months. And your months build your life. You don't need a new year to start fresh. You just need a new system. Part 3. Revive your body. You can't change your life if you are constantly running on empty. Your energy is your currency, spend it wisely. So in these last 60 days, make a deal with yourself. Move your body every day, even if it's just a 15-minute walk. Drink more water than you think you need. Sleep like your future depends on it, because it does. Forget fad diets. Forget perfect workouts. Just choose vitality over and over. When your body feels alive, your mind follows. Part 4. Reconnect with your purpose. The final 60 days are also a chance to realign with what truly matters. Ask yourself, what would make me proud on 31st December? Maybe it's finishing that online course. Maybe it's reconnecting with someone you love. Maybe it's simply proving to yourself that you can stay consistent. This isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. And when you live on purpose, even for 2 months, your entire next year changes. Because you've reminded yourself who you are and what you are capable of. Part 5. Rituals of Reinvention. Here's a fun one, create a 60-day reinvention ritual. It could be writing 1 line of gratitude every night. Reading 10 pages of a self-growth book daily. Taking a photo every day that represents your progress. By the end of the year, you'll have a visual proof of your transformation. Imagine looking back on 31st December and saying, I didn't wait for 1st January. I started when it still mattered. So here's your final challenge. Start now. Not Monday. Not next week. You've got 60 days, and that's more than enough to shift your direction, your habits, and your mindset. Because when 2026 arrives, it won't magically change your life. You will. So if you are ready to make these last 60 days your turning point, type I'm in the comments right now. Let's finish strong together. And if this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly motivation, and share this with someone who deserves a fresh start. Let's make the rest of 2025 the best of 2025.